Alright, Kev. Right here. Kev. Why do you have so much product, bro? A little goes a long way, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back, alright? I'm gonna be right back.
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. Today, I'm going to be reacting to a YouTuber named Wave Kid Kev. He dropped a video yesterday that I actually watched and was actually interested in, and I decided to react to it. So this is not a blind reaction. This is a video that I'm watching over again that I saw some things that I could talk about in there. So we're gonna watch that video and I'm gonna be telling you what I see that you shouldn't do and what I see that you should do. You guys can see the 26 King Wavy watermark on my forehead. So you know what that means, right? Go cop yours, man. Go cop yours right now. Don't forget to use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. You feel me? Don't order nothing without that discount code. Who doesn't like to save money?
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, so we got Wave Kid Kev. Yo, my dude got 15,000 subscribers. That's what's up, man. He doing big. That's what's up. I really like the video. Like I told you guys, I watched it yesterday. Kev got his own membership. I need to do that, man. I'm slacking, man. I started the whole process. I just never finished it because I'm not lazy. I'm a hard worker. I'm consistent. You attract what you think about. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it soon, and y'all better join. Alright, it's gonna be like $4.99 a month. So y'all better join. But yeah, I subscribed to Kev already. One dislike. Why always disliking stuff, man? Come on. Yeah, and also I'm gonna have Kev's video linked in my description, so if y'all wanna go watch it, y'all can go watch it. But yeah, let's play it. And Kev got some music playing in his video. So whenever the music come on, I'ma just click mute, and then when he starts talking again, I'ma make sure that I can hear it. But yeah, man, let's start. I'm recording, right? Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh, mute music. There we go. Alright, so right here Kev is doing the washing style. I like the fact that he's combing out his hair before he does his washing style. And he got the Sony camera right here. You feel me? You gotta invest back in your business, man. That's a tax write-off right there if y'all didn't know. Yeah, you gotta wet your hair, as we all know. Okay, right there, Kev, what you just did right here. After you finish wetting your hair, you don't have to dry it up. You don't need to, because you need the water and the shampoo in your hair in order to make it lather. So wiping off the water, nah, don't do that no more, bro. Alright? And I really support this dude right here, man. Like, I've been watching him, and it's like I see him going far. So that's why I'm supporting him, and y'all should too. Comb out your hair some more. I add the shampoo, brush it in. Okay, the first wash, guys, I think that was the first wash. You don't really have to brush it in, alright? Because you just really gotta scrub all the products out. Alright, right there. Doing pretty good, brushing everything in. Okay, now he's going with the second wash. Lathering up pretty good, as we all know. Brush it in. Now he's going in with his palm to lay his hair down, ragging up. Okay, this is where you messed up at, Kev. Kev, dang, why'd you say Kev? Kev. So when you rag up, right, make sure that the do-rag is on super tight, because when you did that unrag, I'm gonna let everybody see what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna spoil it if you did. What am I saying? I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone that didn't watch it yet. But Kev, your do-rag is on too loose. Okay, you gotta really rag up and make sure it's tight. Double compress if you have to, man. So your junk could look super laid. You gotta see the over curl. So everything is over curled right here, Kev. So what I'm thinking you did wrong was you didn't have enough lather. Your do-rag wasn't on tight enough. Your hair's still wet. Like, if you have enough lather, if your do-rag is tight enough, you're not gonna get this over curling. And either you wasn't brushing long enough, neither. If you brushing during the washing style, you gotta brush for at least 15 minutes. You probably did brush a long time, I'm not sure because you edited this video. But just I'm trying to think, yo, like maybe you didn't brush long enough, maybe you didn't have enough lather to lay your hair down fully. Cause I know you wolfing. When you wolfing, that's when the washing style works best. Alright? Or maybe your brush wasn't hard enough, man. You know, your brush wasn't firm enough to pull the hairs and lay them down in place. And then, like I said before, maybe your do-rag was on too loose. Alright? That's why it's over curling a lot right here. And also, man, come on, Kev. don't ever comb your hair after a washing style. The goal of a 360 waver, 720 waver, the goal of a waver is to have your hair laid at all times. You don't comb out your hair after a washing style when you're about to moisturize, alright? I feel like that's just doing a lot of work, man, because now you're gonna lift it back up. And you just did a washing style to lay your hair down, Kev. Now you're bringing it back up. Now it's gonna be even harder for you to lay it down, especially when you're wolfing. Because now your hair's not going to be as laid as it's supposed to. And it's not going to look as good as it's supposed to. You feel me? It just, I don't know. I just don't comb my hair out after I finish a washing style. Whoa, 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 music. Alright, there we go. See, he combing all that junk out. Now his hair's all puffy. And now it's going to be extremely hard to lay it down unless he does another washing style. You feel me? So anyone out there that's watching, man, don't comb out your hair after you do a washing style when you're moisturizing. Use a soft brush when you're moisturizing. That way your hair can stay laid and you can brush the products in and then, you know, do what you gotta do. Alright, Kev. Right here. Kev. Why do you have so much product, bro? A little goes a long way, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back, alright? I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. Look, guys, pay attention. Focus. Focus. Look, I got my product right here, right? When you are moisturizing, it don't matter if you have no products in your hair or whatever, okay? This right here. This is enough. Y'all see it? This is enough. Look at Kev, bro. Kev, what are you doing? You're moisturizing for a whole week's worth right there. Okay? That's too much, man. That's way too much, Kev. Let me zoom out real quick. Y'all see that? Bro, hold up. Look at his palm. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. I know you wolfing, but nah, you don't need that much, man. Come on. You don't need that much. Come on, man. Yeah, that's a lot of product, bro. Alright, Kev. Like I've been saying about the products, man. Come on, you're junk full. You got the whole. Look at this. Hold up. Focus on me real quick, man. This is all you need, Kev. It don't matter if you don't got no products in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kev, that's all you need, Kev. That's it. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see my hand is very shiny right now. That's all you need, bro. That's it. Not my hand all oily and junk. Dang, I'm about to mess with my keyboard now. But I gotta show y'all, man. Y'all can't be putting all them products in your hair like that, man. You messing your junk up. Now you gotta wash 3 times a week just so you could get rid of the product buildup. A little goes a long way, guys. If you putting all this product in your hair, it's gonna start to like drip down your forehead and everything. Now you gotta wash your hair every other day, and that's what we want to stay away from. We don't want to wash our hair 4 times a week. We want to wash it once or twice a week. And in order to do that, you gotta add a little bit of product, all right, every other day. A little goes a long way, because don't forget you got other products, natural product that's coming from your scalp as well. Your natural oils, all right? That right there, I don't know. That's why I really wanted to watch this video. Too much products, man.
Alright, Josh, the next day.
Next day.
Time again. I usually
Watch this. That's the next day, right? He gonna moisturize again. His hair looks pretty laid, but it will look way better if he didn't pick it out. Oh, music. I don't like copyright, man. But I understand he wolfing. So when y'all gonna see when he cut it off, it's gonna look a lot better. But talking.
Basically wolfing, but these products did help lay my hair down.
Guys, products don't help lay your hair down. It adds shine, but it doesn't help lay your hair down. What really helps lay your hair down is that washing style and keeping your do-rag on and double compression. That's what helps lay your hair down. And plastic bag products, they add a little bit of benefits in there, you know, a little bit of nutrients in there, you know what I mean? And then that shine, it makes the hair shiny, all right? That's all it does.
Today I'm just gonna brush with the medium soft and then the soft. Just to keep my hair laid. I don't want to comb it out. I brush it medium, so I'm not doing all that.
You see? You see? Now you getting it. He said he don't want to comb it out because he don't want to lift it. He wanted his hair to be laid. You doing it backwards, Kev. You got to do that after you do your washing style. You're not supposed to comb it out after you do your washing style because that's when it's the hardest to lay hair back down. You feel me? The next day, then you could, if you want to comb it out, then you probably comb it out. But you did, it's like you got the right concept, but you're just doing it at the wrong steps. You feel me?
So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, speed up again. Alright, speed up again.
Oh, music, come on, Kev. Alright, he brushing his hair down. He said he was gonna do a medium soft and a soft, so that's not really gonna lift his hair up, and that's exactly what you need as a waver, because you don't want your hair lifted up all the time. And that soft brush adds shine to your hair too. I don't know if I said that, but the soft brush adds shine to your hair, and it also lays your hair down. Okay, let's see how much product you're taking from this one, Kev. Kev, killing me, Smalls. Sorry, now you killing me, Kev. Come on, man. You added mad products in your hair yesterday. Now you're gonna add some more. That means you gotta wash your hair the next day, probably. That's two washes in a week already. So if I estimated right, you probably gonna do 3 washes in a whole week. Every week, 3 washes a week. That's too much, man. You feel me? You got coarse hair. You don't got straight hair. You can't be doing all that, man. That's too much. Your hair can't take all that. You're gonna clog up them pores. I mean, I'm surprised. Hold up. That's a lot of oil. That's a lot. I mean, that's better than yesterday, but that's still a lot, man. But I'm surprised his forehead don't look like mine. You feel me? Cause I wash my hair twice a week, sometimes once a week, and I always got my do-rag on. That's why my forehead look like that. So all the products I put in from the week, it just drips down my forehead, and then the do-rag being on makes it even worse. But I guess since he washes his hair a lot, you know, it helps with that. But it's not healthy to put that shampoo in your hair all the time. But like I said before, it depends on what type of shampoo you use. Damn, this video gonna be mad long. I'm talking too much. Now he brushing that junk in, the oil. Okay, he going in with the crown. What you saying?
I think I'm spinning now. Wait till I chop out this wood. That's what I'm gonna do next. Tomorrow, probably wash my hair and then chop it down.
That's the 3rd wash in like 3-4 days, Kev. Come on, man. And look, I want to show you guys, being a waver is not easy. You see what Kev is doing. He washing, he brushing, he applying products. Throughout the week, bro. It's hard work, man. You gotta put in the work.
You need products like the next 2 days after that, just to show y'all what they look like.
You can see his forehead, man. That's a lot of products. That junk came from his hair, now it's on his forehead. That's a lot of products, Big Kev. Come on, man. His hair looked a lot laid than before. So you see how it took like 2 days for his hair to look like this, look more laid than it did before? That's because he combed his hair out after the washing style. Okay, the washing style wasn't his best, so it didn't really give him that lay and shine that he was looking for. And then on top of that, he combed it out. It made it even look worse. But it took him 2 whole days to get his hair to lay down. And that's what the do-rag does. The do-rag helps you lay your hair down. You feel me? So that's a lot of work that Kev had to do while he could have just did all of that during the washing style. Alright, but all of that will come with experience, okay? The more experience we have, the better and easier everything will be. Alright, I think he washed his hair already probably. Because he said he was gonna wash his hair before the cut. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna just skip the cut because you know it's not a barbering type thing. You feel me? This is a video. I'm not really good with the barbering thing, so I'm gonna just skip to the video part of things. Alright. Gosh, Kev. Let me see how much products you put in this time, man. Hold on, let me see. I wanna see. Kev, I wanna see. Jeez. Oh, he skipped that part, alright? He knew I was gonna say something. He skipped that part. He like, I don't want Juice to say that because I know I put like mad products in that junk. Okay, look at that syringe, bro. That's called a syringe, right? He got that junk full. You don't even have that much hair, Kevin. You putting all that junk in there. Guys, don't forget you got natural oils in your scalp that automatically comes out when your pores are open. And one thing I wanted to say is when you're doing your brush sessions and your hair get hot, when you have a hard enough brush and you're doing your brush sessions, when your hair gets hot, that means your blood is flowing. It helps your blood flow, and when your blood flows, your pores are open, and that shoots out the natural oils that you already have in your scalp to protect you from, you know, dry scalp and stuff. And also, I forgot to say this too. I got a lot of things to say, guys. If I'm talking too much, you can click off this video. I don't care, but I'm trying to give you guys some knowledge on this thing, man. But yeah, you ever go to the gym and then you start sweating a lot, and then your hair is sweaty? Don't unrag when your hair is sweaty. Keep the do-rag on until your hair is dry, all right? Then, once you unrag, you ever seen that shine that the sweat adds to your hair? That's not just sweat, that's the natural oils coming out too, man. All right? So, yeah, don't forget about the natural oils when you doing your moisturizing sessions, guys. Because that, you just gotta balance everything out. When you learn how to balance everything out, you're gonna be good. His waves look a lot better after the wolf cut, though. I ain't even gonna lie. Looks a lot better. Just too much products. Alright, right there, guys. I want to talk about the blackout, the fibers, man. I don't know about y'all, but I hate fibers, man. I hate hair fibers. They made me look like a catfish, man. Cause soon as I washed out my hair, that junk gone. Like, I understand some of you guys like the fibers and junk. Yeah, I'll wear them if I'm going somewhere special. But I don't know how I feel about them junks, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about blackouts in the comments, man. Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys want to watch the whole video on Kev's channel, his link is in my description, so y'all can go check it out. But yeah, that's why I really wanted to react to this video. I seen a lot of things that I had to say something about. Hopefully I helped you guys out. You know what I mean? Don't put too much products in your hair. But yeah, big shout out to Kev. Keep doing your thing, my boy. I really like your channel. Keep it up, stay consistent, and keep working hard, man.